Okay, this will be the last video for chapter 0, that is the basic mathematics about the fraction. Again, here you should know about the terms. So for the numerator, that is what we call the son, okay, and 3 will be the mother, okay, for this one, denominator. And here you can see, basically you can separate them into different type of fraction. For the proper fraction, that is what you have learned in Cantonese, and actually you will not consider it in true or false. Actually they are all fractions, but for the mixed number, it's not what we call the fraction actually, okay, but still you just have the name here for the improper fraction and proper fraction. So you just fill in the blank here, okay. So you will have no, okay, finish 2 of it. Then for the improper fraction, okay, this one and this one, and for the last 2 will be 2 and 1/2 and 33 6/7. Okay, here for simplifying something, it is about the multiplication or division, okay. So for multiplication, you should change it to improper fraction, okay, remember improper fraction. And then for division, reverse it, okay. So let's see this example here. If you change it to the improper fraction, so you will have this one, and first of all you have to change it to improper fraction and then reverse it, okay. So you have what we call the multiplication here, and then for the calculation, you do not have to do the calculation. That means you do not have to multiply at all, but you have to do the simplification like this one, and probably I use another color to indicate this one, okay. When you cancel it, 1 remains, okay, 1 remains. Don't put down 0 there, and for 1 here, and that is 2, and then at the end, what you have will be 3 as the denominator, and then for the numerator, that will be 8. So the answer will be 8 third, or 8 over 3, okay. So for this one, when you have the addition and subtraction, can you just separate them into maybe integer and fraction. So here you will see, actually you have set 2 at, okay, just make good use of the bracket, and then remove the bracket, okay. For the bracket behind, okay, or after the minus sign, then you change the font or change the sign here. So you have 2 at 1 minus 1, and then at 1/2 at 1/3 minus 1/4. Then you have 2 at for the here being after, you just expand the fraction, okay, expand it. That means you have to find out the LCM of 2, 3, 4 in this case, okay. That will be 12, okay. So you have 12 and then 6 here, 12, and then there will be 4 minus 12, 3 here, and at the end you have 12, actually 10 minus, so you have 2 and 7 over 12, okay. And for your construct, again, can you just pause it, and after you finish, you play it. Pause it here, okay, pause it here, just play it when you have finished, okay. Assume you have finished it. Again, I just do it very quick, see if you can follow. If you can't, then you pause it there, okay. Sorry, I should not skip lines. and then reverse the order, and then do the simplification, and then you just do the rest. Okay, the next question, again, remember, change it to improper fraction, and then you can see it. Okay, so you just close out what you have. And then for this one, 1, 1, okay, so at the end, you actually have 1/3. Okay, so next question on this side, again, you have to separate them into integer and for the fraction, and then find out the LCM in this case of 2, 3, and 6, as long as that is about the denominator of the fraction. So you have 6, 3 at 6, 1 here, and minus 6, 2. Okay, so you have 3 at 4/6 minus 2. So actually you have 3 and 1/3. Okay, for this one, actually again you just do the math for the integer first. Okay, and then you add the rest together. So this one is about 3, and add the LCM of 2, 4, 5, that is 20. So you expand it, you have 5/20, and 12, that is 8, and 10 here, so you have 3 at minus 7/20, that is 3 and 7/20. Okay, the next one here, this one I have told you, you have to first handle this part, okay? Do you understand? Because that is the multiplication, and so you change it to improper fraction, and then again do the simplification like this one, and you will have 6 minus 3, 4/3, and that is what we have. Okay, 5, 2, 2 minus, 3, 3 minus 3, 4, and you can see it's not enough, so you have 4, 3, 6 here, minus 3, 4, so I have 4 and 2/3. Is it okay? So for the last one, again, can you just handle the bracket first? This is what you are going to handle first, and then the second thing will be the multiplication here, and the last thing will be the whole expression calculation. Okay, so first of all, you just handle what is inside the bracket, so you have 6 minus 3 and 4, this one. Okay, and you have 7 minus 2 times 3 at 3, okay, like this one. Okay, and then you just keep on, and keep on. And as long as there will be some simplification, you just do the calculation like this one. And maybe you just do the calculation like this. You have 2, 1/2. I guess that's all for this worksheet. For area and percentage, we will cover it later when we learn about that chapter. Thank you.